Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to redeem Roblox codes on PC and phone. So to do this on PC, all you need to do is go to any browser and type on roblox.com/redeem. So that is roblox.com/redeem, and you will be brought to this redeem Roblox codes. Enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code below. So you need to check on this box. By checking the box, you acknowledge that you are at least 18 years of age or that you are the parent or legal guardian of the account owner and agree to our terms of use, including the arbitration clause and gift card terms and conditions, and acknowledge our privacy policy. So, for example, let's go to we have a Roblox promo code here. Let's try this. There's a lot of websites out there where you can get promo codes. So as you can see here, let's try this one. It says November 2023. Let's see if this still works. Just type the code here. By the way, this is very case sensitive. So make sure that you double check the code that you put in, because sometimes if you don't mind it that much, you might have a mistake and the redeem code won't work. So as you can see here, code successfully redeemed. Back to redeem. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.